guys, I just stopped over here to check out or to test out my new GoPro, so I figured I'd just stop over here at this abandoned Hooters and check it out. It'd be a good place to stop and test the camera out. This Hooters has been abandoned for a few years now. I think maybe 3 years, maybe a little bit longer. It's sure windy as hell out here. They actually filmed a movie here, a scene from a movie. The movie was, I think it was called Runaway, with Denzel Washington. His daughters worked in here. They were waitresses. And they actually did a bunch of work in here for the movie. So it was really a rundown Hooters. They came in and put all these new TVs in there and all that crap. It was a real dumpy fucking Hooters, okay? It wasn't like some nice one. This was a dumpy one. It's out here in Monroeville, PA. But it, or Wilkins Township, actually. But it was a pretty dumpy joint. But they came in and spruced it all up. And when they left everything that they did to it, they left in there. You know, all the new TVs and all that stuff. Here's the cooler. I'm sure all this stuff's locked up. Electrical meters are gone, so there's no power in here. So, anyhow, I just wanted to come and check it out. Gas is turned off, as you can see right there. There's the Home Depot. Well, that gas valve actually is for the Chinese restaurant next door. That's also abandoned for years. And then over here was a one of them cigarette shops, you know, that sold the smokes and vapes and all that crap. They went belly up. And then over here was the wallpaper place. They closed. They just moved. They didn't go out of business. They sell like a high-end type wallpaper, I think. And then over here, I don't even know what this stuff was over here. Obviously some kind of garage. There's 4 bays over there. But supposedly they're going to tear all this down and build some kind of market, some kind of supermarket. I've actually never been back here. I've lived here for 15 years. I've never been back here. There's the abandoned H.H. Gregg. Garbage on the hillside. You can see that. And there's the back way down to Home Depot. Huh. I might be able to just launch a quadcopter off back here. This looks like a pretty good spot, actually. Hell, I could actually go down there, which I think I'm gonna do tomorrow. What is down there? I'm very curious now. Some kind of rock formations or something. But I'm definitely going to be going down there and checking into it. I can tell you that right now. Hell yeah, I could come back here and fly some quads. It's a pretty nice little spot. A little rough goings over here. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have to go down here and check that out. No doubt. All right. There's that Best Buy I always go to up there. All right, boys. Have a nice day. You can see by that everything's blowing around how windy it is today. It's pretty bad today, man. Wow. Pretty bad. All right, guys, have a nice day.